Hey, I'm Tristan, and today I will give you a quick walkthrough on how to use Yacht. At first, you will land on the landing page. From there, it's very easy to get started. Just click on Get Started, and from here you can choose between Google or LinkedIn to sign up, or creating a new user account. After verifying your email, you will see a list of all your spaces. By hitting the plus, you can create a new space, which you just have to name. After naming it, you get an invitation link. You can send this invitation link to your friends and colleagues via text or email, and they just have to click on it. After clicking on it, they can join your space. Of course, you can also get an invitation link in the space itself or the spaces list later on. After that, you can go back to your spaces list, or you can join your newly created space. As soon as I enter a space, I can see myself, but I also can see my speaking radius. The speaking radius, the blue circle around me, indicates the area where other people can hear me. So for example, if somebody enters my speaking radius, they can hear me, but I also can hear them if I enter their speaking radius. Of course, I get also an overview of all the colleagues which are present in the space and can also talk to them. Hi Danilo, how are you?
Hi Tristan, I'm fine, thanks.
The sidebar contains the most important functions. For example, you can turn your camera or your microphone on and off. Also, you can share your screen and see who is in the space and who is online. From here, you can promote or unpromote users and even remove them from your space. The sidebar also enables you to bring yourself back in the middle of the screen. Additionally, you can change the range. This means you can adapt if more or fewer people can hear you. Also, you can send messages to people around you. And of course, you have the settings. The settings allow you to test your computer, but also change your camera, microphone, and even your virtual background. We hope we gave you a better understanding of Yacht.Chat, but also on how to use it. You can try it for free on Yacht.Chat.